How to hide apps on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you in order to unhide apps on your Android device. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Simply, in order to demonstrate, suppose if I wish to hide Duolingo app from my home screen, for that you need to open settings on your device. Scroll down and enter or tap on privacy option. Select privacy next to permissions. You will get three options under privacy protection. Simply select hide apps. Enter the privacy password to access this section. After that, you will get all of the application available on your home screen. To hide Duolingo application, simply you need to locate the Duolingo application and turn the toggle on. After a while, tap on the hidden button at top right corner, and after that you can see that Duolingo has been successfully hidden. When you check your home screen, you will see that Duolingo application is no longer available on your home screen of your Android device. So that is how we successfully hide apps on Android. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.